Trump's first 4 years. And I say first 4 years because there'll be another 4 between 2024 and 2028. But obviously, he's got to make that decision. But it's
Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, South Central Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, Southeastern North County in Middle Tennessee, Northeastern Giles County in Middle Tennessee, and Bedford County in Middle Tennessee until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. 8:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lewisburg, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Lewisburg, Bakersfield, Andrews, Valneva, Normandy, Belfast, Hayden, Farmington, Unionville, and Fosterville. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 27 and 38. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight